Motorola has always been known for its budget-friendly phones, but the Motorola Edge Plus is a full-fledged flagship with impressive features for $150 less than Samsung's Galaxy S22 Plus. Starting at $849.99, it offers great value, especially for Verizon's users. While we still prefer the Galaxy S22 Plus and iPhone 13 for their superior cameras and software support, the Edge Plus shines in areas like display size, performance, and connectivity. The Moto Edge Plus is a large phone measuring 6.42 by 2.99 inches and weighing 6.9 ounces. It features a 6.7-inch 1080p OLED display with vibrant colors. Although it's not as bright or sharp as the Galaxy S22 Plus's display, available in Cosmos Blue or Stardust White, the phone has a smooth back that resists fingerprints. Instead of an under-display fingerprint sensor, Motorola uses a physical one on the side-mounted power button. The Edge Plus offers dual front-facing speakers, although they're not as loud as those on the Galaxy S22 Plus. However, they bring out vocals well in music. There's no headphone jack, but it supports Qualcomm Snapdragon sound for high-quality wireless audio. The 4800 mAh battery lasts around 11 hours in video playback, outperforming the Galaxy S22 Plus slightly. With 30-watt wire charging, it goes from 0 to 39% in 20 minutes and fully charges in 65 minutes. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and 8GB or 12GB of RAM, the Moto Edge Plus delivers smooth, speedy performance, especially with its 144Hz display. It benchmarks well, even surpassing the Galaxy S22 in some areas, but it does throttle faster under heavy use. Despite this, performance stays solid for most tasks. It supports fast 5G speeds, especially on Verizon's Wave network. Motorola software is clean and minimalistic, with useful gestures like twisting your wrist to launch the camera. It also has useful features like an always-on display and the Ready For app, which mirrors your phone on the PC and can turn your phone into a wireless webcam. However, software support is limited, with Motorola only promising updates through Android 14 and 3 years of security patches, shorter than Samsung's 4-year commitment. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The front camera is a 60-megapixel shooter. In good lighting, photos are solid, but the Edge Plus struggles in low light and lacks optical zoom, relying on digital zoom instead. If photography is a priority, the S22 Plus is the better option. But for general users, the Moto Edge Plus still delivers solid performance. The Motorola Edge Plus offers impressive value for $849, with a large, vibrant display, solid performance, and good battery life. While it lacks the camera excellence and long-term software support of competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, it's a strong alternative, especially for Verizon users looking for a flagship at a lower price.